Hello students, I'm Vikas sir. In this video lesson on vocabulary, I'm going to introduce you to a great many new words that will help you in your writing and also in your speech. First word today is blithe. This is an adjective, means indifferent, casual, unconcerned, nonchalant. Opposite is obviously concerned. Example, he shows a blithe disregard for rules. Disregard, disrespect. Now second word, bleach. This is noun, means campaign or propaganda. Examples, elections saw an ad, means advertise bleach. Third word today is blizzard. It is also noun, snowstorm. It means snowstorm. Example, the blizzard in Ladakh claimed several lives. Now go to set 2. Impromptu. This is an adjective, means extempore, unprepared, ready-made, unrehearsed, unscripted. Examples, the boy delivered an impromptu lecture. And there is extempore competition. Next word, imprudent. This is also adjective, means unwise, injudicious. Example, the banks were imprudent in disbursing loans. See, impudent. Here the spelling is different. Impudent is also adjective. It means rude, sassy, cheeky. Flippant or brazen. Opposite is polite or gentle. Examples, the impudent boys need to be taught a lesson. You must notice the difference in spelling. Imprudent and impudent. Now set 3, spurious. It's an adjective, means bogus, phony, fake or false. Opposite, genuine or original. Example, the manager showed spurious documents to accuse him. Next word is sinuous. This is also adjective, means zigzag, winding, coiling, meandering, especially used while describing a river. The sinuous river flows from the hills to the plains. Now set 4, theocracy, a form of government ruled by priests in the name of God. In earlier days, such governments were formed. This is a noun. Example, Israel had once been under theocracy. In Israel, there was theocracy in ancient times when the state was first established. Plutocracy, a form of government by the wealthy people. Example, many political analysts call US government a plutocracy. Set 5. First word, anarchy, means mobocracy, rule of the masses, common people, disorder or chaos. This is noun. Western countries face anarchy. Hierarchy, this is also noun, a system in which members are ranked as per status, social status or cultural status. This is called hierarchy. Example, the food chain follows a hierarchy of animals. Oligarchy, this is also noun, a government run by a small group of people is called oligarchy. Example, sometimes governments turn into oligarchy because only a few people rule that government. Now set 6. Genocide means mass killing. Killing of common people at random. Example, genocides often take place due to religious conflicts. Now, homicide, this is also noun, killing of one person by another. This is murder, what we call. This is also homicide. Example, the police came to the spot of homicide where the murder was committed. Now, regicide, killing of a king. Example, we can find many instances of regicide in history. Set 7. Parricide, this is also noun, killing of parents or relatives. When somebody kills his parents or close relatives, that is called parricide, and the person is also called parricide. Example, an incident of parricide is a heinous crime. Then uxoricide, this is noun, meaning killing of wife by husband. Example, there are frequent cases of uxoricide in India. Then filicide, this is also noun, killing of a son or daughter by their parents, either mother or father. That is called filicide. Example, filicide is not uncommon in many parts of the world. Set 8. Patricide, this is also noun, killing of one's father. When somebody kills his father, is called, the action is called patricide, and the person is also called patricide. Example, he was found guilty of patricide. Then fratricide, this is killing of brother or sister. Example, fratricide is often the result of property dispute. Next, matricide, this is also noun, killing of one's mother. When somebody kills his mother, then it is called matricide. Example, people take recourse to matricide due to psychological problem. Set 9. Nebulous, this is adjective, means indistinct, hazy, unclear, obscure. Obviously, its opposite is clear or distinct. Example, often we presume nebulous figures as ghosts in the dark. Ubiquitous means, this is adjective, means all pervasive. You all know that words ending in us or us are always adjectives. Ubiquitous means omnipresent, global, all pervasive, universal. Example, Sachin's influence on cricket is ubiquitous. Now, querulous. This is also adjective, means peevish or quarrelsome, argumentative. Example, his querulous nature draws ire from everyone. Ire means anger, from everyone. Now, set 10. Jealous, adjective, means envious. Example, I am not jealous of your success. Now, next word is jealous. There is a difference in pronunciation and spelling. This is also adjective, means ardent, keen, eager, avid, or enthusiastic. Opposite is indifferent. Example, are you really jealous about your studies? Now we go to the last word of this lesson. Zealot means fanatic, crazy, or maniac, especially in relation to religious matters. Example, he is a zealot in his religious beliefs.